Yang berbahagia, Dato Lim Xiao Jin, Executive Chairman, Board of Directors, Mr. Teo Hang Ching, Executive Director and CEO, Senior Management of DXN Holdings Berhad, Crown Ambassadors from all over the world, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to all of you. On behalf of MAYBANK Investment Bank, I would like to congratulate DXN Holdings Berhad for today's milestone in your IPO journey. The story of DXN is truly inspiring. From humble beginnings in Alostar, today DXN is in 48 countries and has over 14.6 million members from more than 180 countries. Dr. Lim just mentioned that they've crossed 15 million members. Congratulations. With over 450 SKUs to offer to members, it's no surprise that DXN has continued to attract higher sales every year. Even more impressive is that over 320 SKUs are manufactured in-house, a result of its integrated supply chain that covers research and development, cultivation, and manufacturing. DXN has arrived to where it is today after continuous investments and market penetration effort over the years, particularly since its privatization in 2011. The company has expanded its presence in 35 countries and entered into additional 14 new markets. It has also invested 486 million ringgit into new and existing production facilities in key countries, including Malaysia, India, Mexico, China, and Indonesia. It now operates 2 R&D centers, 6 cultivation centers, and 10 manufacturing facilities. Despite a challenging operating environment in recent years due to COVID-19 lockdowns and disruption to supply chains, DXN has managed to steer itself well and demonstrated resilience, thanks to its vertically integrated business structure. From FY20 to FY22, the company delivered a 3-year revenue CAGR of 6.1%, while net profit of FY22 rebounded swiftly to FY20 level after a dip in FY21 due to COVID. With the normalization of business environment, DXN is showing signs of resuming its growth trajectory. For the 8 months FY23 period, revenue grew 31.5% and net profit grew 13.1% compared to the corresponding period in the previous year. Ladies and gentlemen, as the world adapts to due dawn amidst rising inflation and geopolitical tensions, companies are driven to revisit their business models to ensure sustainable growth. Post-COVID, consumers are also placing greater emphasis on health and wellness. We have in DXN a company that has weathered 30 years of change and emerged stronger by focusing on its core ingredient and leveraging on a unified distribution platform. DXN's return to the main market would be the largest IPO in Malaysia year to date that offers investors a proxy to global health and wellness consumption. Based on a maximum offer price of 76 cents per share, the base deal of this IPO will raise approximately 708.9 million ringgit, of which the company will receive approximately 121.6 million ringgit as primary proceeds. We believe that this relisting will help DXN to raise its profile and showcase its strength and unique business model. And more importantly, the IPO will solidify the company's expansion and growth plans. Before I close, on behalf of MAYBANK Investment Bank, I would like to thank the Securities Commission Malaysia and Bursa Malaysia and all relevant authorities for their support and guidance during the IPO process. Our appreciation also goes to CIMB Investment Bank, CLSA, and RHB Investment Bank. Thank you once again to the promoters, shareholders, and management of DXN for giving Maybank Investment Bank the opportunity to lead this IPO. We hope this is the beginning of a fruitful and rewarding return to Malaysia's capital market for you, and we look forward to continuing this journey with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Dato Fad'l Mohamed. Kindly remain on stage for the official launch of the prospectus.